Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to remove multiple accounts on Roblox mobile. So in order to remove multiple accounts on Roblox mobile, you need to follow these steps. First of all, you want to open the Roblox application and log in. Once you're logged into your Roblox account, the interface will look something like this. So what here you need to do is basically, you need to click on the more section from the bottom of the page, and you just need to scroll down to the bottom and then click on switch account. When you click on the switch account, you just need to switch the account that you want to remove it from the device. And when you're done switching the account, it's going to directly take you to the home page. Once again, click on the more button here and simply press the logout button. And that is how you could remove multiple accounts on Roblox mobile. And likewise, you could do the same thing with the rest of the other accounts. And that is how you could remove multiple accounts on Roblox. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.